everybody, it's Kristina from Kristina's Krafts, and I'm going to do an easy one tonight. Well, at least I think it's going to be easy. I got this plaque from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to take this off of here because we are not going to hang this. And I was looking at this paper. I'm going to cover this paper up, but I can see there's wrinkles in it. So I'm going to have to try to peel off some of this paper. Okay, so far my project is a little nightmare. So the paper didn't want to come off, so I took a baby wipe and then I sanded it to get as smooth surface as possible. But obviously, if you buy a sign that the paper's not all crinkled, you wouldn't have to do that. You could just put it right over that. So what I am going to do is I'm not going to paint this side, but I am going to paint the sides of the box with this Waverly black or ink chalk paint, and then I'm also going to paint the insides of this, the back side of that, and the sides here. Okay, I have it all painted where I wanted. I left this blank here. Then I cut this with my Cricut for a different project, but I decided that I didn't want to use it on that project. I'm actually going to use it on this one. For right now, I'm going to cut around these snowflakes here. And if you do not have a Cricut, what you can do is you could use a window cling, treat bags. I made a couple things out of Dollar Tree treat bags. It worked really, really good. Oh, a bag. You could use, oh, what do you call it? Like the shopping bags or whatever. You could definitely use that. So this is actually contact paper that I got from Dollar Tree. It's like shelf contact paper. It works pretty good for the vinyl. So I'm going to take this off of here. Alright, so I have my vinyl on here, and then I'm just going to center this in the box the best that I can. I'm not very good at centering things. See if I can get this to stick. Alright, so I got one of them in here. And I think I'm going to put one, well, I don't know, maybe I'll put them in all the corners, maybe up a little higher. Okay, so I just decided to go ahead and just put all 4 of them in there. Okay, so I got these branches. I don't have many left from Dollar Tree. These are actually pretty good looking for Dollar Tree. And I am going to stick these inside of my box here. So I'm just going to put some hot glue on here. And these are going to go right there. So as you're probably wondering, this is going to be a 2-sided project. So you will be able to put either side up. And the best part about this one is you can leave it up. You don't have to take it down at Christmas time. And I got these little berry picks from Dollar Tree, and I am just going to stick 2 of these little pieces in the middle here. Yes, I know they're a different color red than the vinyl, but I think since it's a darker red, I think it'll look fine. So, stick my little balls in there. Alright, and then that side of the project is complete. Okay, so then for the second side, what I want to do is I have this paper vinyl from Dollar Tree. And I am going to take this side of my box and I am going to cover it with this vinyl. So I'm going to go ahead and get a square cut out. Okay, so I am just going to take my square of vinyl and I'm going to put it on this box, and then I'm going to cut out around it once I have the vinyl on there. I'm hoping this stuff's going to stick to this. I'm thinking it probably will. I did a couple projects with this vinyl already. And it didn't stick to wood very good, but I might have to put a little something on there to keep it down. Yeah, it peels off pretty easy. Okay, so I have the vinyl on here. That's why I needed a smooth surface. Because of that, and now I'm just taking my X-Acto knife and I am just cutting out around the box here. I got 3 sides done. Okay, I have the vinyl all cut out. It looks pretty good. I love the sparklies. So I got my one side done. Now my plan for the second side is I bought these ornaments from Dollar Tree. And what I want to do, I'm just kind of going simple with this project. I'm not getting too crazy. This tree I want to put right in the middle of my project here. And I noticed that this is having a little bit of a problem standing up, so I'm going to make sure that my tree is hitting on the outside or on the bottom here so that it'll help hold my stand up. I'm trying to pick the branches that are kind of sticking up a little bit. And then I want it down just a little bit. Okay, I have my tree on there and now it's standing really good. So now I just need to finish this side. Yeah, I'm still trying to get the glue strings off of there. Okay, so what else I think I'm gonna do, I got these stickers from Dollar Tree, and I think I'm gonna put a couple of these smaller snowflakes on here, just to give it a little bit more pop. All right, then the only other thing I need to do is I need to figure out that hole. I don't like that hole up in that tree. Okay, so after much deliberation, what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a snowflake and I am just gonna pop one of these little pieces off the ends, and I'm gonna try to stick it right on this hole here. Oh, I think that looks good. See, now you can't even see the hole. That looks really good. I like that. All right, so I think I'm just gonna leave this one really simple like this, because this, like I said, you can keep up after Christmas is over. So there is the one side, the Let It Snow, and then the other side. All right, I'm gonna leave my project just the way it is. I think that looks really cute. Very simple, and the side's very simple. I don't think it really needs any more than that, but double-sided, you can flip it whichever way you like. Well, that is it for the end of my, this is the end. Oh, sorry, it's been a long night. I just want to say thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe and hit the little bell so you get notified when I upload, and take care. Bye.